Hi, this is Sandra from Fiber Noodles. Here is the lasagna beanie, and today I'm going to teach you how to pick up stitches. Let's say you made a mistake somewhere along the line and you need to frog your beanie, and so here I have it frogged, and I just stopped at a random spot. And so today we'll talk about how to pick up left-leaning stitches and right-leaning stitches. So each pair of stitch here has 2 stitches to it, right? So here's your left-leaning and your right-leaning. So here, as a general rule, when you pick up stitches, the right leg will be at the top. Okay, here's your right leg, here's the left leg. So this will be at the top. Here is the right leg, it'll be at the top. Okay, same with the right-leaning stitches. Right leg on top. Even though this is the back, the right leg will be on the top. Okay. So for our left-leaning stitches, we have ones that go this way and ones that go this way. So if it's left-leaning toward this way, this stitch will be on the top. All right, so I will pick up here, and I'll pick it up here. These are left-leaning. The left stitch goes that way. The main stitch is at the top. Okay, so this was kind of twisted. And so we want to twist this back and so that the right leg is on the front. Okay. So that is a left stitch. So let's say, so here is a right leaning stitch. So let's say they kind of get mixed up like this. So you know, position your stitches so they look like they're going in the right direction. So if they're right leaning stitches, this one going this way will be the top one, the first one, and the back one will be going in the other direction. So we'll pick up right leg, pick up the right leg, pick up the right leg, pick up the right leg. Okay. And let's say you accidentally pick it up the wrong way and it ends up looking like this. Okay, now here I picked it up the wrong way. If it doesn't quite look right, you can kind of drop your stitches and reposition it. Maybe you swapped it, and make sure that it's going in this direction. If it's right stitch, right twist, make sure it's going this way, and you make the right leg in the front, right leg in the front. Okay, and that is basically it.